In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use masks in Adobe XD. Masks let you reveal only a portion of an image or object through the window of a shape, giving you clean, non-destructive crops that you can refine at any time. We'll start by creating the shape that will act as the mask. Draw a simple circle or rectangle in the spot where you want the focus to be. Think of this shape as the window through which your image will show. Its position and size determine exactly what's visible, so take a moment to place and size it with intention. The shape itself can be any basic vector you prefer, but keeping it simple makes it easier to adjust later. Next, place that shape on top of the image or object you want to clip. The mask needs to sit above the artwork in the layer order. If you can see the shape covering the image on the canvas, and it appears above the image in the Layers panel, you're good to go. This order is crucial because XD uses the topmost shape to define the visible area. Now select both the shape and the underlying image or object. The quickest way is to shift-click them directly on the canvas, or shift-click their names in the Layers panel to pick them together. With both items selected, you're ready for the masking step. Right-click the selection and choose Mask with Shape. Instantly, XD creates a masked group. You'll see only the part of the image that falls within the bounds of your shape, while everything else is hidden. The great thing is that nothing is permanently cut. It's a reversible, non-destructive operation, so you can fine-tune it whenever you need. To edit the mask, simply double-click the masked object to enter Edit mode. Inside this mode, you can move or resize the image and the mask shape independently. Drag the image around to reframe your subject, or adjust the shape to widen or tighten the crop. Resizing the shape changes the window of visibility, while moving the image shifts what appears inside that window. This makes it perfect for creating profile avatars, product spotlights, or neatly cropped thumbnails without altering the original asset. As you work, keep an eye on the Layers panel. The masked group behaves like a single object. You can move and scale across your artboard, while its contents remain fully editable when you return to Edit mode. A quick visual check at typical viewing sizes helps ensure edges look clean and the focal point is exactly where you want it. And that's it. Draw your shape, keep it on top, select both, mask with shape, then double-click to refine. Simple, flexible, and completely editable whenever you come back to it.